So the main message today is about how, again, we can bring value from the quantum computing, and where IBM has decided to land this concept of value in terms of utility and advantage. Probably some of you or most of you have heard about what the quantum computing is intended to bring, and also what quantum computing is already bringing to the table in terms of the value. So I will try to explain you why uh, why we are right now in the utility phase, and also how we are trying to get advantage for the next year. And I would like to highlight next year. So this is the first message that I would like to deliver in terms of we are not anymore talking about let's try to wait for the next 10 years or even the next 5 years in order to get advantage from quantum computing. So let's see how we are trying to achieve on this. Um, I'm not going to go deep on the very technical details of the quantum computing. I do think that most of you are familiar with these concepts of on how to leverage on the quantum mechanics and quantum behaviors of the of some specific materials. In this case, of some specific superconducting conducting particles, and with that, what we are trying to do is, again, trying to make computing, because the quantum computing is not less, not more than a discipline that tries to process information in the same way that we've been doing for the last, I would say, 6 to 8 decades, in order to get information, store information, process information, and having results with those information processing. And as you probably know, the superposition, the entanglement, and the interference are the main behaviors that we are trying to leverage on in order to work with the qubits. The quantum bits that are the storing information units that we are using in order to process information in this quantum arena. Um, at IBM Research, we have mainly two missions, I would say. The first is, as you are seeing, trying to bring useful quantum computing, because we will know that probably from the very early stages of the quantum computing,